Hey beautifuls, j'espère que vous portez à merveille. Okay, you're welcome back to Learn French with Queen. So today we'll be looking at how to greet in French. La salutation. Okay, so this is the first time you're tuning into my channel. Yeah, this is a space where we learn French and we learn it. We do them in an amazing way. We create helpful content on this platform to help us learn this French in an amazing way. So do well to like my videos if you find them useful, give them thumbs up, share to friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe so we can keep rolling on this platform together. So let's dive into today's topic. So we have different ways of greeting people, just the same way we have it in our local dialect or our official languages. So today we'll be looking at some of those ways of greeting people in French language as well. So let's start with salut. And just greet someone by saying salut, like saying hi, hello. So that's the meaning of salut in French. We have bonjour, bonjour, comment tu vas? So bonjour means good morning. We have bonsoir as well. Bonsoir means good afternoon or good evening. So we have bonne nuit. Bonne nuit is used at night. So you can just greet the person by saying bonne nuit. That means good night. Okay, so that's that with bonne nuit. So bonne nuit is mostly used at night. And most times when you want to greet somebody, there's this rule that says that when you see someone earlier, you greet the person first. Then when you see the person later, you can now say bonsoir. Like for instance, you see me in the morning, you can tell me bonjour. Then later in the day when you see me, you can now say bonsoir. But if it's not similar at all during the day, like earlier in the day, and you're just seeing me for the first time, you tell me bonjour. Like that will be the first greeting. So let's continue. We have comment ça va. So most times this greeting comes immediately after you greeted the person. Salut, or you say bonjour, or you say bonsoir. The next thing is comment ça va, like how are you? When you greet somebody, good morning or good afternoon, the next thing is to say how are you or how are you doing. So we have it in this form. We have comment ça va and we have comment tu vas. Like you're talking to your mate or someone younger than you, you can say comment tu vas. But when you're talking to a group of persons or somebody that's in an elderly position or a position of respect, you don't use tu. You use vous for the person. So you can just say comment vous allez or comment allez-vous. So that is the way to greet somebody that is a bit older than you or as a form of respect, or when you are referring to a group of persons. So next time when you want to greet somebody, you know which of these to use, whether the vous format or the tu format. So let's continue. We can have it as comment tu vas or comment vas-tu. So you can change it. You can have va then tu. So you can have the inversion that way. It's correct in French language. So you don't necessarily need to always say comment tu vas, comment tu vas. You can as well change it the other way around by saying comment vas-tu? Hello, salut, comment vas-tu? Comment tu vas? Or you can have it this way, comment vous allez? Comment allez-vous? So you can have the inversion that way. It's also correct. So let's move on. We have something like ça va. Like you are with your friend and you see that your friend is not doing so well and the person is looking so dull. You can just say ça va, like are you okay? And you can just greet somebody saying ça va. You know, your tune of using these forms of greeting will determine the kind of question it's interpreting to your receiver. Exactly, your tune and as in your intonation while you are using it determine the message, the signal it will detect to your receiver. So when you see your friend that is just dull, you can just ask ça va Véronique, or ça va Pierre, or ça va Marie, something like that. Ça va, you know, the way you use them will determine. So let's continue. We have ça va bien. Can you say ça va or ça va bien? This is the same thing as saying how are you? Hope you're fine. So we have est-ce que tu te portes bien? You can ask someone as well instead of just saying, you know what, there's something about this language. Language is a very amazing amazing form of communication. You don't necessarily have to be using the same forms of greeting every time you see somebody. When you see the person, you can just say comment tu vas, or comment vas-tu, or ça va, or salut, or just saying the same form. So you can just interchange them by using any of this one. You can see someone today by saying ça va, and the next time you see the person, you can ask the person comment tu vas. Or you can see the next person, you can see that same person next day, and you can still make use of this. Est-ce que tu portes bien? It's still the same thing, but you're saying it in different ways. So these are ways of greeting someone. We have comment. Est-ce que tu portes bien? Like, are you okay? Are you fine? We can also have it as comment tu te portes. So we have it in form of est-ce que tu portes bien? Are you doing well? Comment tu te portes? It's also the same. It's also asking a question. Comment tu te portes? Tu te portes bien? Comment tu te portes? So you can have it either way. You can have it est-ce que tu te portes bien? You're asking a question, or comment tu te portes as well is a question format. So we can have it as okay. Yes. Now this is tu. Like I explained earlier, this is the tu format and this is the vous format of it. So when you're talking to an elderly person or a person in form of respect to someone, you can say comment vous portez. But for a friend or someone that is younger than you can just say comment tu te portes. So that is the difference between the two, comment tu te portes and comment vous portez. So hope we've learned different ways of greeting people. So when you meet someone, you are not just the usual ça va kind of person. So you have varieties of ways of greeting people. Like you can change them, you can interchange them. You don't necessarily need to say the same thing every time. So language is not a static thing, it's something that you make do of different things at different times. Okay, so let me meet with you at the comment section. If you still have any question as regarding greetings, how to greet people in French, you can write to me at the comment section. I will be glad to reply you. So give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Don't forget to share my videos, and the most important one, to subscribe. So see you in my next one. Bye.